Smothering means cutting the supply of oxygen. Okay. The colloquial means in Marathi, Boli Bhashet, the colloquial word bamba. You know what is the use of bamba? Bum. To heat a water. Okay, bamba. For steam engine is associated ever since the brigade came into existence. Even today also, most of you people, fire station is called as a bamba khana. Are bamba khana wala aa gaya. Bamba khana. Okay. So this is the history. Then now Mumbai Brigade now. Mumbai Fire Brigade. Okay. So now the brigade has, Mumbai Fire Brigade has 34 fire stations and 17 mini fire stations. Okay. 34 fire stations at this time. There are 34 fire stations as well as 17 mini fire stations. So out of 17 mini fire stations, 16 has been already commissioned and one is going to commission. That is Malabar Hill. Okay. And do you know about the population of Mumbai? It is 1.84 crores. That is 18.4 millions at this time. Now the city headquarters, it has been divided into two, city and suburb. City headquarters is this place, that is Baikala, and suburb headquarters is located at Marol. There are 6 regional command centers all over Mumbai in the area of this 437 square kilometer or 438 square kilometer. There are 6 regional command centers, namely Baikala, Wadala, Marol, Borivali, Vikhroli, and Mankur for more effective control on the situation, on the emergencies. Okay. Now these command centers are headed by Deputy Chief Fire Officer rank person. Now some 2 times back Mr. Y.R. Jadhav was there. Okay. He is the in charge of R2 regional command Wadala. Okay. So these command centers are headed by Deputy Chief Fire Officer and are self-sufficient in respect of men, machine and infrastructure. Now the brigade is organized to save lives and properties. Okay, that is the motto, that is the goal, to save lives and properties in case of fire. But in the interest of public welfare, brigade also renders special services such as house collapse, okay, train motor vehicle accidents, droning accidents, then tree collapses, oil spillages, any bird or animal rescue, all this under special service. A force of 2825, a force of 2,825 trained fire personnel, okay, including in that 169 officers and 2656 staff, plus 50 odd staff in workshop at Baikala. Okay. So with the fleet of 215 firefighting appliances, okay, so we have 62 fire engines, excluding this ALP, hydraulic platform, BA van, okay, breathing apparatus van, rescue van, mini buses, control post, TT alternate table ladders. So we have 62 only fire engines which are turned out at fire scene, first scene. Okay. Now this is the organizational chart of Mumbai Fire Brigade. Okay. So these are 3 from BMC, Municipal Commissioner, then Additional Municipal Commissioner, then Deputy Municipal Commissioner. So whatever you see this, okay, this is a Fire Brigade. Chief Fire Officer is the head. Then there are 8 Deputy Chief Fire Officers. Let us see. Deputy CFO, Command 1, Baikala, Command 2, Wadala, Regional Command 3, Marol, Regional Command 4, Borivali, Regional Command 5, Mankur, Regional Command 6, Vikhroli. Okay. All these regional command centers are headed by Deputy Chief Fire Officer. And in addition to this, one training and recruitment, TR, training and recruitment, one Deputy CFO is headed the department training and recruitment. Again, one more looking after headquarter, HQ. And now you met Mr. Chaudhary. He is Deputy Chief Officer. Deputy Chief Officer. So these are the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1. Deputy level fire officers are there. Then divisional fire officers are there. There are 11 divisional fire officers all over Mumbai. Okay, 11. After that, assistant divisional fire officers are there. And these are 21. These officers are in number 21 for each subdivision. So, first of all, there is a region. After that, there is a division. After that, there are subdivisions. And a person of category, this assistant divisional fire officer, is looking after 2 or 3 fire stations, which is called which is called subdivision. Then that it comes to senior station officer. Okay, so there are 21 senior station officers. So myself, DM Patil, I am a senior station officer, along with my colleague officer, Mr. Munde. He is the officer in charge of Baikala, and I am looking after this Mandivi fire station. So out of this 21, all 21s are officer in charge, and then there are 72 plus 1 wireless station officer. 72 station officers are there. Out of this 72, remaining this 34 fire stations. So 21 plus 13, 34. 13 station officers are officer in charge. Then let goes to assistant station officer, that is shift in charge. Officer in charge, then shift in charge. It is 39 plus 3. So 39 male candidates. Okay. Then these 3 are women assistant station officer. And 1 is at wireless. So these are 43. Then goes to sub officer. Some issues going on with this designation. So only 1 sub officer rank is there. Although 75 plus required. So 1 sub officer is there. Then driver operator 507. Leading fireman 303. Driver operator come fireman 35. So we are using accordingly. If shortage of driver operator, then we are using them as a driver. If firemen are shortage, then we are using as a fireman. Okay. Then fireman 1693 and firewoman it is 115. Firemen 1693 and firewomen 115. It is 1808 plus workshop staff 52. That's all. This is the organizational chart of Mumbai Fire Brigade. Now the locations of fire stations and regional command centers. Okay. Now let us come to the total fire station 34, which are those. So in city there are 15, in western suburb there are 12, and eastern suburb, that is Bhandup Mulund side, there are 7. So city region total 15 fire stations. In that 2 regional command centers, that is region 1 Baikala, region 2 Wadala. In region 1, these are the fire stations, subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4, and in region 2, subdivision 5, 6 and 7. So these are the fire stations under subdivision 1, Kulava Nariman Point, subdivision 2, Memanoda Gavalatang, then Baikala, Indiradok, Mandivi, Fort. So these are the 15 fire stations in city region. Then let us come to the western suburb area. In western suburb, there are 12 fire stations. Okay. In region 3, there are 3 subdivisions. Okay. In 3 subdivisions, Bandra BKC subdivision 8, then subdivision 9 Marol, and subdivision 10 Andheri and Vileparle. So let us come to the other part, that is region 4, which is Borivali. In Borivali, we are looking after this, we are understanding this western suburb. Okay. So in Borivali, regional command 4, there are 5 fire stations. Okay. Sorry, there are 7 fire stations. That is subdivision 11 Malad and Dindosi, then subdivision 12 Chincholi and Dahisar, and subdivision 13 Goregaon, Borivali and Kandavali. Let us come to the eastern suburb area. Region 5, that is Mankur. there are Kurla, Devnar, Mankud and Chembur. And last one, Regional Command Center 6. There are 2 subdivisions again, and Vikroli, Mulund and Gaonpad are there. So these are the 14 fire stations. Now let us go through the mini fire stations. Okay, first one is Chira Bazar, opposite Chira Bazar, Jagannath Shankar Seth Road. Second one, which will be commissioned soon, that is proposed Malabar Hill, Hill Tekdi, Walkeshwar. So where our quick response vehicle is stationed, QRV. Okay, NSCI Indoor Stadium, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Indoor Stadium. Then Dadar Pumping Station near Full Market, Flower Market. Then SFTC, Director's Office, our Director's Office, Maharashtra Fire Service, that is Santa Cruz East. Then Kapaswadi, okay, Juhu Warsaw Link Road, Andheri West, Mumbai. Then Amboli, Veera Desai Road, Raheja Complex, Andheri West. Then Chandivali, okay, Chandivali Farm Road, Andheri East. Film City Road, Goregaon East, Mumbai 63. Then Thakur Village, 120 feet road, Thakur Village, Kandivali East. Mud Malad, okay, Mud Marve Road, Mud Malad West, Mumbai 61. That is 11th. Then 13 is Govandi, NG Acharya Road, Govandi, Mumbai 71. Chitta Camp, okay, it is not Chitta Camp near Trombay Police Station, Trombay, Mumbai 88. Then Bhatwadi 15, Gajanan Maharaj Marg, Bhatwadi, Ghatkopar West. And Kanjurmarg, 16 number is Kanjurmarg, LBS Road, Kanjurmarg. And last one, 17, Bhandup, near Seat Tire Company, Bhandup Village Road. So these are the 17 mini fire stations along with 34 main fire stations. Okay. Now let us come to our point, fire. Okay, so if anybody understands the spelling of fire, then he will be able to understand what are the causes behind fire and what to do in case of fire. Let us come to the fire spelling. F stands for foolishness. I stands for ignorance. These are the factors. Before knowing fire engineering science, we have to know this main causes, what are the causes, what are the factors behind the fire. First one is F, it is our foolishness. Due to this foolishness, fire starts. I, ignorance, it is our ignorance, chalta hai nature. It is due to ignorance, fire starts. Then R stands for recklessness. It is due to our recklessness. What is recklessness? In Marathi it is beparwahi. चलता है, okay, recklessness. E stands for error, both by machine or man. Okay, so these are the factors behind the fire. And what to do if there is a fire? First F stands for find. If there is a fire, then you are searching the fire. Where is fire? So first F stands for find. After finding the fire, you are informing public, you are informing inmates, you are informing fire brigade. I stands for inform. Then R stands for, so what will take care of you? Either lives or property. First of all, lives. So R stands for rescue. And last one, E stands for after rescuing the people, what is the work? Only work remaining is the extinguishing fire. So before knowing the actual fire science, if we understand these factors and causes and what to do in case of fire, then it is very helpful to us. So let us come to the point. You know that water burns, it never returns. It is not a reversible reaction. We studied in the high school level, college level. दो चीजें मिलाने के बाद तीसरा प्रोडक्ट तैयार होता है और दो प्रोडक्ट तैयार होने के बाद उसको वापस मिलाप किया जाएगा तो वापस रिएक्टेंट तैयार होता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. इट इज अ irreversible reaction. Once a material burnt, you will never get it. Once live goes, you will never get it. So it is a reversible reaction. Water burns, never returns. That is why we have to prevent fire and we have to avoid the destruction. So once again, it is not a duty of only fire personnel, it is the duty of all. It is a joint effort and joint responsibility. So, what would happen if there is a fire? So, fire, before that, fire or heat, it is essential for we people. It is due to fire, it is due to
Gentlemen.
energy